I am going to be reviewing this Japanese planner. It's called Kokuyo. I've never heard this brand before, but it looks really cool. As you can see, it's trifold. So as you can see, these are the methods that you can use the planner. You can put some cards on the sides. There's a bunch of storage space. There's lots of pockets for cards. So this is the front, and you can insert a notebook in here. And there's this nice ribbons for bookmarks, and then there's another pocket, and 3 other pockets for cards over here. And it also comes with a notebook. It's 50 pages. I didn't thought it would come with a notebook. I thought it's just a cover, but it's a nice feature. And there's the pocket that you can insert your notebook. It fits an A5 notebook. And there's a pen holder. So let's flip it over. So the back, it has pockets again. Over here there's 2 pockets, and then there's the closure strap. And as you can see, I really like this. So let's try to remove the notebook. So this is the notebook, and this is how it looks like when it's all opened up. And it is made with a nice canvas, and the edges are like leather. And you can close it using the straps. Let's see. I'm using my other hand for filming, so this is a super nice planner cover for A5. It would also fit a rocket book. I'm gonna get my rocket book and show you it fits it. You can see here I have a rocket book Fusion. This is the executive size, the A5. And let's see if it fits this planner cover. So here's the notebook, and I'm going to insert this here. As you can see, the original notebook is just slightly a bit shorter, so I would need to do a little bit of hack to make it fit. But the whole book covers it, but it just doesn't fit the plastic. So I might cut the back of this rocket book and make it fit, so it would fit perfectly onto the cover. So that would be a little hack because it doesn't exactly fit, but overall it covers the rocket book. It's exactly the same size, so I want to use it that way. So I'm gonna cut the rocket book like a 1/4 of an inch, and it would fit in here. So that was my review for today. Hope that you would try this brand. I got it from Amazon, and I'll link the product in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.